shooting sunrise at the waterfront. I'm shooting some boats here, some fishing vessels who have yet to go out or must have come back, because a lot of times they fish early in the mornings.
What's better, sunrise or sunset?
I get a lot more out of sunset, but I don't know why, now that I say that out loud. Like, I think it's just because I have so much more prep and planning in mind, whereas sunrise, you're usually like, scurry, get there. And I know more sunset places, I guess. That's the answer. You have to have a place ready to go, and once you have that, then there is a better, and it's just where you get the better shot.
Did this just make your list?
I like this.
Did you just break the law?
Listen, you are not Rob Halford.
The thing is, there's no sidewalk here. Over there it is.
Let's move. Oh, you know what that now is?
Where are we going?
I am told that this is Pierce Island, not Piers Island, so your boss can't be involved.
Where are we looking to shoot?
Over here, look at these boats. Look at that blue rowboat sitting out there in the middle, next to that yellow building. Give that a toss. Little boats. That bright yellow one. Technically, I needed another lens for this. Alright, so what you see over here, this is fun because you have all three prime colors. You got the red shed in the back there. You have the blue rowboat up close to me. And you got the yellow boat there as well. So now, I think it just came. That was such a good one. This boat is now coming, now it's doing loops, I don't know. But there's like those 5 or 6 houses across the way, the very old-timey looking houses. And then this white boat just comes sliding in like a swan. It was the perfect shot.
What shot are we after?
I am taking down those cranes over there. The mechanical ones, not those birds, because I think those birds are loons. That's what I shot of them too, because they're all posing.
They're loons. You're the one who got up at the crack of dawn to come out here and take photos.
You're not wrong. The most ideal photo. Memorial.
Did you get it?
Got it. Prime shot.
Why do you like to shoot people who are working?
I like working people. I think of myself as a working type.
What'd you get?
Shot a loon right over there hanging out on that buoy.
So why do you do this? What's it all for?
This is my Pokemon Go. I use it to get out of the house and capture some stuff. I need to come up with new and interesting ways to feed the lens. And it's a way to see things you wouldn't otherwise see. I'm going to show you all kinds of places that you haven't normally been to.
I can follow you.